Hello my beautiful 50 subscribers. Today we're going to be unboxing a brand new fruit tree from Just Fruits and Exotics. We're going to talk a little bit about what it's like ordering fruit trees in the mail and what to look for once we get it unboxed. Okay, like I've said before, it's best to go to your local nursery to pick up your fruit trees. But if you're trying to buy something very specific, then they're not always going to have it. This here is a Giombo Persimmons. So, at your local nursery, maybe they'll have a Fuyu, maybe they'll have a Hachia, but it's going to be hard here in Pennsylvania to find anybody who has a Giombo. So now that I got it unboxed, we're going to take a look to see if there's any main damage to the branches or any scarring or damage to the trunk. So usually the two reasons I would call and ask for a refund for a new one. But this tree looks great. I don't see any problems with it, and it is almost ready to be planted. The next thing you want to do is water it as soon as possible, because you do not know how long it's been sitting in the truck during shipping. So there's two ways you can have your plant shipped: bare root or actually in the dirt and soil like you would get at a nursery. Some states don't allow you to ship soil from state to state, so you may only be able to get bare root, and I prefer to get them still in their pots in soil. It costs more for shipping, but I have a much better success rate with planting my trees when they come in the soil. Either way, if you get bare root or shipped in a pot, it's best to do it when the tree's dormant, especially persimmons. I've had much better success rate when you order the tree in the winter or early spring, and that way it gets acclimated before the heat of the summer. So don't be afraid to order your trees online, because half the trees here on my farm I ordered online, and if there's anything wrong with them, 90% of the time they'll exchange it for free.